All right. So now you've started to really lay the foundation of how to have a great meeting on your job site. You've learned how to do a daily huddle. You've learned some of the best practices to make that huddle efficient. And now you know what you're supposed to be talking about in the huddle. So now we're going to move to play number 2 and dive into visual communication.
So visual communication refers to the use of visual aids and tools to facilitate clear, efficient, and effective communication between all members of the construction team that are attending your daily huddle. Visual communication helps to eliminate confusion, reduce misunderstandings, and increase transparency by improving the communication and collaboration between all the trade partners on the team, as well as from trade partner to GC.
You know, what this could look like on your job site are things like a material delivery board. If you've ever seen those data vaults, which are like a job box with a TV and a computer in it.
Got a printer in them too, you can print stuff out.
The field can really see what's going on. If you're working on a job that utilizes VDC or BIM, that's a great communication tool.
Yep.
As well as just having a smart TV that hooks up to your phone to share photos with your team, all visual communication tools. But for us, what we really feel like is a must-have on your job site is something as simple as taking your floor plans or elevations and putting them under laminate. Then, if everybody has a dry erase marker, the work that they're talking about becomes very visual. Another must-have on the job site is your site utilization plan. Take that, blow it up, make sure that it's updated, and make sure that everybody sees it in the daily huddle. Any type of parking or gate access maps that could be crucial to the flow of traffic coming in and out of the job site is key, as well as what we call the racetrack, which is really a phasing diagram tracking the flow of the work. Either things broken out in different areas or zones, but something that makes the communication amongst trade partners visual to where everybody understands what they're talking about.
And visual communication isn't just for the daily huddle at the boards. You can leverage visual communication anywhere on your job site in the field to increase those efficiencies. Some examples of this is color coding your studs for in-wall inspection, meaning each trade partner gets a designated spray paint color, and once they're done roughing in and they've done their QA/QC, visually spray off the studs, signaling that they've done their work, it's been checked, and it's ready to call in for inspection.
Genius.
Another great way is creating a stencil template for your door openings. We had templates that we've created that shows the swing of the door, the rating of the wall, the information around the hardware package, all just great indicators to put on the floor to visually communicate what's going to happen in that opening. And lastly, thinking about managing the inventory that comes to the job site, man, be intentional about physically marking out on the floor with tape specific laydown areas by trade, identifying where trades can lay down their material.
Visual communication will really change the way you run your huddle, and we'll dive deeper in later videos.